these are the exercises I need to do to maintain my body to keep doing it. But I mean, to me, the research shows that the greatest predictor of an injury, and
Yep.
I agree, when it comes to an old injury, like the likelihood of re-injuring is higher because scar tissue is not as strong as the regular tissue. But what I've seen over my 20-year career is the greatest predictor of an injury is actually a lack of self-awareness. So of a new injury, because people come in, they're like, yeah, this shoulder pain came out of nowhere. I'm like, well, it didn't come out of nowhere. You just weren't paying attention to some of the repetition things that you were doing. And now you don't know what to do about it, right? So once we start making people aware of their environment, some of the repetitive things that they're doing, then they can counteract that, right? So for somebody who sits, deadlift is an awesome exercise to counteract sitting, right? Kettlebell swings, awesome to counteract sitting. Glute bridge, if you don't have the equipment, do glute bridges because it opens up the hips, it activates the glutes, it sets the posture back. So there's lots of other movements that we can do. It's just like, think about what do we do repetitively and almost do the opposite.